Hello everyone, welcome to the channel TutorBox. In today's class, we are going to discuss about MCQ on vaccine. And in this lecture, I am going to discuss regularly asked question from the vaccine section. So this lecture is very important as far as concern of competitive examination. So any of the competitive examination, examiner regularly asks question on vaccine. So I already given one lecture regarding the vaccine on how to learn the classification of vaccine by tricks and mnemonics. So you can also go through with that lecture. So the question number 1, which of the following bacterial vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is typhoid, paratyphoid. So how it is correct? Now just look at the classification. This is a killed inactivated vaccine. This is bacterial vaccine. And here we have a typhoid, paratyphoid means TAP. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which of the following bacterial vaccine is example of live attenuated vaccine? So the correct answer is BCG. So how it is correct? Just look at the classification. This is the classification of live attenuated vaccine and this is bacterial vaccine. Here we have a BCG vaccine. So this is a part of live attenuated vaccine. Question number 3. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of live attenuated vaccine? So any of the question if examiner asks, you have to point out two things. First, whether it is a viral vaccine or whether it is a bacterial vaccine, and the second one, whether it is a killed vaccine or whether it is a live attenuated vaccine. So these 2 points are very important for any vaccine question. So the correct answer for this question is MMR. Just look at the proof. Here we have a live attenuated vaccine and these are mumps, measles and rubella. Combined, these are known as a MMR. Clear everyone? Now, which corona vaccine is prepared by inactivated killed virus? So, correct answer is all of these means Chinese CoronaVac, Sinovac and Iranian Coviran Bearcat and Kazakhstani vaccine Quasvac. So, just look at this. Here we have an inactivated virus vaccine of corona and just look at here. This is our Kazakhstani vaccine. Then this is our Chinese vaccine and this is our Iranian vaccine. So these all three are coming under this inactivated virus vaccine of corona. Question number 5. Which of the corona vaccine is prepared by inactivated killed virus? So the correct answer is all of these means Sinopharm BIBP, Sinopharm WIBP. So just look at this. Here we have a IBP and WIBP and the third Indian Covaxin. All these are inactivated virus vaccine prepared for corona. Question number 6. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is all of these. So just look at here. We have a killed inactivated vaccine and here we have a viral vaccine. So rabies vaccine, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis A. So all of these options are given. So correct answer is all of these. Question number 7. Which of the following bacterial vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is plague. So just look at here. This is killed inactivated bacterial vaccine and here we have a plague. Rabies and hepatitis are viral vaccine. Question number 8. Which of the following bacterial vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So pertussis is the correct answer. Just look at here. Killed inactivated vaccine, bacterial vaccine, and here we have a pertussis which is also known as a whooping cough. Question number 9. Which of the following bacterial vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is cholera. So just look at here. Here we have a killed inactivated vaccine, bacterial vaccine, and here we have a cholera. Question number 10. Which of the following bacterial vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? Correct answer is Haemophilus influenza B. So look at here. Killed inactivated vaccine, bacterial vaccine, and here we have a Haemophilus influenza type B. Just remember in viral we also have an influenza, but this is not a Haemophilus type. Clear everyone? Question number 11. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is Salk vaccine. Look at here. These are killed inactivated vaccine. This is viral vaccine and this is our Salk vaccine which is a poliomyelitis inactivated vaccine. It is also known as a IPV. Question number 12. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is Covaxin. So just look at here. This is our Indian Covaxin, which is viral vaccine and killed inactivated vaccine. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of killed inactivated vaccine? So the correct answer is rabies. Just look at here. This is killed inactivated vaccine. These are viral vaccine and this is our rabies. Okay, these all are our rabies. So here option is also given for poliomyelitis, but it is oral polio vaccine. And here IPV, it is not a oral polio vaccine. Question number 14. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of live attenuated vaccine? So the correct answer is varicella. So just look at it, live attenuated vaccine. This is viral vaccine and this is our varicella. Question number 16. Which of the following viral vaccine is example of live attenuated vaccine? The correct answer is Sabin polio vaccine. Just look at here. Live attenuated vaccine, viral vaccine, and these are polio vaccine, poliomyelitis oral vaccine. This is also known as a OPV and this is also known as a Sabin vaccine. So remember here in my lecture of classification of vaccine tricks, I gave the trick to remember all of these classifications. So go through with this classification as well. Question number 17. Which of the following polio vaccine is example of live attenuated vaccine? So the correct answer is oral polio vaccine. Just look at here, live attenuated vaccine, viral vaccine and poliomyelitis oral vaccine. And this is also known as a OPV and this is also known as a Sabin. Now question number 18, killed inactivated vaccine means. So the correct answer is it consists of virus particles that have been killed to lose disease producing capacity while still stimulating an immune response. Means in this what we are doing, we are killing a virus particle but it has the ability to stimulate the immune response. Question number 19, live attenuated vaccine means it is a vaccine created by reducing the virulence of a pathogen but still keeping it viable. So this is the correct answer. Live attenuated vaccine means the virus remain live but we diminish its virulence property. Question number 20, subunit vaccine means. So the correct answer is it present one or more antigen without introducing whole pathogen particle. So in this type of vaccine, what we are doing, we are not inducing whole pathogen. Instead of it, we are only introducing subunit, some particle of virus in the vaccine. So these are some vaccine prepared for the coronavirus. Clear everyone? So I hope you people are able to understand all of these questions. If you think these questions are useful, then share this lecture to everyone. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.